Happy birthday to you.
There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back for another one. I just came off the road. I picked up some things for Kellan's birthday. You'll probably be seeing that in the next couple of scenes. We are preparing for his birthday. His birthday is actually going to be Sunday, but we're going to have like a little get together on Saturday. We did it last year. We're going to do it again this year. Bigger and better. Not really. Same amount of people pretty much. Some new faces, but you know, our circle is kind of small, so we really kind of keeping it small and really just taking the time to celebrate our little one. So he's gonna be 3, guys. 3. I feel like he was just born like yesterday, so it's crazy. But I came off the road. It's a little late. I have to put Kellan to shower and go to bed soon. I don't know if I'm gonna have the energy to do his hair tonight. Probably not, but I have to do a cleanup. The house is looking kind of crazy. And I have groceries that I need to clean off, and I might start prepping some of the meat and stuff like that tonight. Let's see how well that goes. But yeah, I'm not really doing much tomorrow. But anyways, I'm going to clean up the items that I picked up at the store. I'll show you what I got and tell you what I'm planning on cooking. Alright, so you remember in COVID when everyone was like cleaning up their stuff with like cleaners and stuff like that? I still do it. I was amazed at how you clean items and you're like, oh my gosh, there's so much dirt on there. The reality is a lot of these products are sitting in warehouses, so it's not necessarily like a COVID reason why we're doing it, but it's just like cleanliness. Okay, so this is a relatively clean white rag. I'm gonna damp it and then I'm gonna spray it out. Still pretty white. Let's clean up some stuff. Normally I don't complain about like what is packed with what. I'm not like, oh no meat can touch anything, but the person that packed this like packed these 2 items together. So the bread is all smushed up, crushed. You know, it is what it is. I ain't stressing it. Done with the cleanup. Let me show you what I got. Not too bad. The rag is not that dirty tonight. Got some chicken thighs and some drumsticks. These were 2 for $9. They're normally 2 for $10, so that was a little bit of savings. Just Bare natural, no antibiotics, not organic, but it is natural. So I'm going to use 2 packs of the drumsticks and then 2 of the chicken thighs for the barbecue. I got 2 packs of Publix. They're like conventional ribs, and it was $1 off. I'll probably do like Korean style ribs. That's why I picked up some Korean barbecue. This is a little expensive. This is like almost $7. This one is a hot and spicy. This is just an original regular style. But everything in total was $150, $152 roughly. I had some coupons, some ponzu sauce, and I got mirin. This is so difficult to find a lot of times, so I was happy to get that. And I'm just probably gonna build on these sauces if they don't taste that right. Brand that I really love, can't find that unless I go to Whole Foods. And some gochujang, if I said that right, holla at me. And it's a bulgogi sauce. So again, I'm probably gonna mix that up, put that on this. There's only 2, you know, I'm not gonna get much out of that. And I got some Alfredo sauce. These were 2 for $5. I do like Newman's products. You know, their profits go to their foundation, so I really do love to support. These were buy 2 get 1 free. So I got a cherry Coke, a regular Coke, a ginger ale, a Sprite, and Fanta, and I think another ginger ale. Boom, there we go. I got these. These were $1, and I've never tried this brand because it's normally expensive as hell, but right now they are going for $1.43. So I got organic mango juice, apple juice, and then a tropical juice. I've seen them before. They're 100% juice, but I never get them because they're normally like almost $3. Never mind that, but today I got it. And I got some pineapple juice and orange juice in case I decide to do a painkiller, which is one of my favorite drinks. And then some sweet peas for potato salad. Yeah. Oh, and the smashed up hot dog and hamburger buns. Got 2 of those and a bunch of cheese for some mac and cheese, Sargento cheese. Those were on sale as well. These were buy one, get one free. So that worked out. The only thing I'm missing is the half and half. They didn't have that. Oh, and I got some wasabi sauce. Again, adding to possibly this. So that's pretty much everything. I got some decorations at Dollar Tree. You know, these are $1.25 now. No more dollar items at Dollar Tree. $1.25. Just picked up a couple of that. This was on sale at Publix. Originally $5.99. And I asked the lady, how much is it? She's like $5.99. And I'm like, it's not on sale because it's Valentine's Day. And she's like, oh, it actually was $2.99. So it's 2 placemats. Thought they were really cute, gold. And these. I always buy candles just so I feel like, you know, I might forget. But I don't think I'm going to keep these. So that is everything. Now it's time to put Kellan in the shower and get him ready for bed. I'm gonna try to go to bed early, pack everything away, and get him in the shower like now. But thanks for seeing everything that I got. If you were like, yo, you spent too much money on something, holla at me. But I think I did pretty well. You know, you tell me though. Almost forgot to show you these beautiful tomatoes. I picked some gorgeous tomatoes. Look at how gorgeous those are. Yeah, so I couldn't forget to show you that. That was also the total of $152 at Publix. And again, I spent about like $8 at, or sorry, $9.36 I think it was, at Dollar Tree. It is the next day. Thanks for still being with me. I am running into Publix now to speak to the baker for Kellan's birthday cake or cupcake cake. I'm not really sure. So I'll keep updating you as the day goes on, but it is the day before Kellan's birthday party. His actual birthday is Sunday, but his birthday party is going to be tomorrow. So just running and getting the last minute stuff. I finally figured out like what color scheme. It took me a while, but I got it. So I'll see you inside or at the next stop. Probably at the next stop. All right, so we are at BJ's right now. I'm doing a pickup order. It is the grand opening of this BJ's in Davenport. It is very close to us now. This is in Posner Park area. If you are in Davenport, come check it out. It looks like all of Davenport is over here. And the cool thing about it is like normally people will come, well, like Miami people come and like check out a place and just like check it out and just like look around and that's it, which is cool if that's your thing. But these people actually came to shop. Like a lot of people are coming out with like full carts, which is really good because like, you know, people are really not just here for the hype, they're actually shopping. I just don't have the patience to be in there. I really don't like a bag of crowds. So I'm not going to go in there. I did want to go check out one thing, but I was like, it's not that serious. I'm just going to send Dan to get a small pack at Publix in the morning. That's it. But yeah, people are really shopping, which is, it just shows that there was a serious need for a wholesale in Davenport. The closest BJ's was 35 minutes. I think we say this about everything. So to have it be 10 minutes away is a game changer. And it has a gas station and it has the tire shop and all that stuff. So yeah, we decked out in Davenport now. Question is now, does that make me look at Davenport differently? It does. It's another amenity to the area that you're like, yeah, that was well needed, because we do travel to Kissimmee a lot of times. The Kissimmee one is like 30 minutes. Only if there's something that I really need that I can't get, I either go to Kissimmee or I go to the, it's like I-4 Conroy Road. That's like the one by the mall. So I really don't go to the Claremont one. I've only went to the Claremont one because I wanted a dress. So I've been there like maybe once or twice, but it's not like a necessity for me. But having it here, I'm looking at Davenport a little different, but not that much different. So I'm waiting for my pickup order right now. So after that, we're gonna go back to Dollar Tree and probably Michael's, maybe Hobby Lobby, and head home and then get the food prep going. So we have gone to Dollar Tree and Michael's. I went into Michael's to see if I can find some like railroad caution kind of little like things I could put on the cake, the cupcake cake, and couldn't find anything. So I'm gonna jump into Hobby Lobby. Maybe they'll have some like train set kind of items. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Probably not gonna bring you in there because like I'm trying to be in and out, but this is Hobby Lobby. Again, Posner Park area. I'm just kind of jumping around. All right, let me show you the time. It is 8:10, the night before Kellan's birthday party, and they came to bring the inflatable. This is Fly High inflatables. Last year they were unbelievable. Their service was really great. They came out and they drop off one day and they pick up the next day. So even though he's dropping off tonight, he's not gonna come back till Sunday to pick it up. It's an amazing deal because you're like, oh, I could get a full night worth of it. So he's gonna set up, he brought around the chairs already, and then now he's going to set up the blow up. I'm really excited about that. It's a bit dark, so I don't know how much of it you're actually gonna be able to see. bounce house is here. Okay, so that was Tyler. It's a family-run business. Again, fly high inflatables. Really good customer service. They do credit card, Dell. This is the bounce house we did last time. I'm gonna unplug it in a couple of hours. But let's do a quick little bounce. Mommy? Too dark? Too dark? Too dark? Too dark? Too dark? Yes! It's way too dark in there. Probably before the party starts, he'll be in there having fun. Let the birthday celebration begin. I have food to prep. I'm pretty much gonna start that now. Have his hair to do, but I'm probably gonna season up the chicken and do that first. Let's go. Morning, beautiful people. It is the day of the party. It is freezing outside. Let's plug in the bounce house. Yay! Going up. Okay, food prep started already, but now let's get into the actual day, you know? Let's start decorating and doing all that stuff. Very casual, minimal stuff today. That's kind of how we're gonna do it. This is the cake that we got from Publix. I'm gonna decorate it from here to there. Why is the window so dirty? Not my problem. So what are we cooking today? We are cooking like a barbecue kind of pan chicken kind of thing, and some Korean beef ribs, mac and cheese, white rice and peas, potato salad. That's it. I'm gonna have some bag salad if anybody wants to eat bag salad, but you know, yeah, and cake. But I'm gonna decorate the cake. I know it looks a little plain and you're like, yo, what's going on? But I didn't have time to order cake because this was kind of like a last minute thing. They could do something, but kind of how I wanted it to look, so I'm just gonna have to do it myself. Simple. All right, so this is the inspiration. Can we make that cake look like this cake? We'll see. Guys, this is the cake all decorated. I think I did a good job. Yay! So does it look like the picture? Be honest, comment below if it looks like this. I think it does. But even if it doesn't matter. People are gonna eat it in 2 seconds. But I think I did a good job. I'm proud of myself. Yeah. So we're gonna start the process of cooking. I'm gonna do the mac and cheese first probably. And then the rice. You know what? I still need to clean off the grill. Yeah. I'm gonna clean off the grill first. Alright, let me start the mac and cheese. And then we're gonna do the grill.
Are you grilling?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You are?
Yeah. Probably me.
You are then.
I'll put it on there. And he will watch it. But I have to watch him watching it. He's not that confident on the grill.
You not?
No. He'll do the steaks, you know.
Oh, so you feel better on the grill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, cause we had a grill, you know, down south, so I used to grill a lot.
Oh, okay.
And we used to do like rotisserie chicken on the grill, like that was some fancy grill. 3! Yay! Happy birthday! Oh wait, okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kellan. Happy birthday to you. 3, yes. Hey, blow out the candles.
Alright, ready?
Hold his hand. Hold his hand.
Blow out the candle.
Yay! High five. Fire. Cameraman, you got it? It is 2:06 in the morning. Taking down my hair, cleaning up the kitchen. It is the end of the night. Well, it's been the end of the night. I think everyone left probably about like minutes to 12. So it was a good night. I hope Kellan enjoyed it. He was running around. They didn't really use the bounce house. Don't know if I'll do that again next year. Next year we'll have to see where we are. If we're still here or if we're at our new place. But yeah, today was a good day. I started prepping the meat from Friday, so it was really just like getting the food like on the grill. Oh gosh, I should have picked up the camera and shown you guys. But the grill we've had for a year now, a good year and a half maybe now. And I'm trying to turn on the grill, it wouldn't turn on. Turns out the tank was empty. Luckily we had another tank because of the fire pit, so we switched that out. I grilled and I had the sides. I didn't show you the spread. Guys, I'm horrible at that. But I'm horrible at it with a purpose. I feel like family time is family time. And especially when you have family and friends that are coming to visit, you kind of want to be able to spend time with them and converse and take in the moment. So that's pretty much what I did. So I didn't get a chance to record much, but just know that Kellan enjoyed the first part of his birthday. So very blessed.
We did actually just switch over the grill, and Lisa grilled up all the meat. So I wasn't feeling sick, but I was like, yo, I need that now. Lisa came upstairs sniffling and saying she thinks she's getting sick. Now, for every woman out there that loves to say how we are the biggest babies when we get sick, let me tell you something. The thing that is the worst, I know, boo-boo, the worst kind of sick person is a sick nurse. So wish us luck, and I'll see you guys the next time I turn the camera on.
You will always be my inspiration.